Dear students, in the last section we have seen what is cloud computing. In this section we will see the practical applications of cloud computing. Cloud computing is helping enterprises as well as governments, public and private institutions and research organizations. Okay, so the practical examples of such system exist across all market segments. So first example is large enterprise can offload some of their activities to cloud based system. The example of this is recently a New York Times has converted its digital library of past edition into web friendly format. Okay, so for that purpose they have used the Amazon EC2 and S3 cloud services. See, this EC2 and S3 provide the secure computing facility. Okay, the Times perform this task in the 36 hours only, and this requires a considerable amount of computing power. So by using the facility of EC2 and S3, the New York Times has done this task. Second example is small enterprises and startups can afford to translate into business results their ideas more quickly without excessive upfront cost. So the example of this is Animoto. Animoto is a company that creates the videos out of the images, music and video fragments which is provided by the users. The images, music and video fragments provided by the users are converted into the videos. It requires a considerable amount of storage and processing. So this is done by using the Amazon cloud services. And one of the famous example of this is Swiggy. Third example is system developers can concentrate on the business logic rather than dealing with the complexity of infrastructure management and scalability. So here, if the system developer is having an idea about the business, then he or she have to concentrate on the business logic only. Okay, all the infrastructure as well as scalability, scale down, all these facilities is done by the cloud. So we have to only focus on the business. And the last example is end users can have their documents accessible from everywhere and any device. So the common users can use the cloud services. They can update their documents, they can store their documents, they can update their images, and they can view their data anywhere and anytime in the world. The example of this is Google Sheet, then Google Docs, Google Drive, Office 365. So these facilities are provided to all the users in the world. So to provide the cloud services to the user, there are three deployment models, that are public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. Public, private and hybrid. So what is public? Public clouds are the most common type of deployment models, and in which the services are provided by the third party service provider, and it is available to all the users in the world. The public cloud is having a less security than the private cloud. Okay. Second type of deployment model is private cloud. So when the organization require the more security, and if it requires to store the confidential data, for example banks and government organizations want to keep their confidential information, so in that case they may use the private clouds. And hybrid cloud is the mixture of private as well as public cloud. Okay, so this is the practical applications of the cloud. Thank you so much.